Rain play. It was Saturday, and Toto couldn't wait to go out and play. He ran to the door, but oh no, it was raining. Toto made a face. Yuck, he said, and didn't want to get all wet. Dr. Panda laughed. It's fun to play in the rain, Toto, he told him. All we need is some boots and our raincoats. Come on! Dr. Panda pulled out 2 bright yellow raincoats and 2 bright yellow pairs of boots. Here we go! Toto followed Dr. Panda outside. The rain couldn't get under the hood of his bright yellow raincoat. The rain went pitter-patter, pitter-patter on the top of the hood of his coat. It sounded like birds dancing. Toto and Dr. Panda walked through some puddles. Splish, splash, splish, splash. Then Toto tried to jump. Splash! And sent a shower of water and mud up into the air. Dr. Panda showed him the biggest puddle in the garden. They looked down into it and saw the reflections of their faces wobbling in the water. Toto giggled. Dr. Panda was right. Playing in the rain was fun.